for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Overhead Madness. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Overhead Madness. Now I have one basket over there. I have 2 cones and those can be changed out to maybe shoes, stuffed animals, whatever markers you might have at home. And they're about 6 feet away. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 feet away. You will need about 3 pairs of socks. Now what I'm going to do with these 3 pairs of socks is actually bundle them up all together and create my basketball. So I got all 3. Here we go. Can grab them, put them all together, and then roll them up into one sock and making it a ginormous sock ball, okay? So that's gonna be your mini basketball for today. Now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna start over here in a nice defensive stance, so feet shoulder width apart like the game of basketball, okay? And I'm gonna have to side shuffle, okay? In a basketball position, once I get to the opposite side or my other cone, I'm gonna go ahead and do an overhead pass, step with my opposite foot, bringing my elbows up behind my head, and then I'm going to toss the sock, and I'm going to try to make it in the basket. If I miss, I pick it up, again, get in that defensive stance, slide over, and again, try it again. Okay, my goal is to try to get as many points as I can in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, and go. Slide, defense, defense, defense. All right, that's 1 point. Then go back. Defense, defense, defense. Stay low, stay low. 2 points. Slide. 3 points. All right, 4 points. Make sure you're sliding. Oh, just that's 5 points. Almost got it. Defense, defense, defense. Can you do it? 1 more. And time. All right, so Mr. Garcia was only able to get 5 points. Can you read my score? Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Overhead Madness. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity. What modifications would you have done? What locomotor movements would you be adding to make this a little more challenging? Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.